class I completed index concept. Next topic is slicing. This one is very important topic. Slicing. What is slicing? It is a piece of code. Let's suppose we will take one string Rajini. If you want to some part of the code, that means I want Raja in Rajini, then we should go for slicing concept. Slicings are divided into two types, forward slicing and backward slicing. First one is forward slicing. First one, forward slicing. Forward slicing. What is forward slicing? Forward slicing syntax is variable name, start, colon and step. Colon is mandatory. This one is a square brackets. And or stop. In forward direction, starting value is 0. End value is n minus 1. Step value is step minus 1. Let's suppose I will take one string Rajini. S is equal to Rajini. We will take diagram R, A, J, A, N, I. This is the slicing concept. Starts with 0 and end value is length of variable name. We are not required to minus 1 because end value is always n minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is forward and next one is positive and from left to right. First, I want to print Raja. Starts with 0, ends with 3. We will take 3 and minus 1, consider Raj only. I want Raja, that's why I will take fourth index. Yes of 0 colon 4. End value is n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That means 0 to 3. Raja. Next one, I will take Johnny. If you want to Johnny, starting value is, first we will take variable name, square brackets and Johnny. J starts with 2 and end value is length of variable name. That means variable name is yes. It returns complete to end. Johnny. I want Raj only. I want to print Raj. Then we should use S 0 colon Raj 2. We will add 1 because n minus 1 it returns Raj. This is the forward slicing. Forward slicing step, default step value is 1. Forward slicing starts with 0, ends with n minus 1. Default step value is 1. This is the slicing. Next we will see the step value. Step value means a skipping. That means we will take same this one. Yes of 0 colon 4 colon 1. Positive. Step value positive means this is the forward direction. Forward direction starts with, that means the starting value will be considered, end value is n minus 1. N minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Step value is step minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. We are not required to any value to skip. That means we will take complete R, A, J, A, Raja. Next we will take step value 4 and we will take 2. That means step value 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That means one character we will skip. R print, next A is skipped and J is print. This is the skipping. We will take total string. That means total string means if you are not mentioned starting and ending index, then it will be considered total string. That means we will take colon, colon. This is. If you are not mentioned starting index, starting and ending index, then it returns total string. R, A, J, A, N, A. This is very, very important in cloning concept, aliasing and cloning. This is. If you are not mentioned starting index, then it will be considered starting of the string. That means yes, if you are not mentioned starting index, then it will be considered starting of the string. I mean 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means Raja. Raja. Next, if you are not mentioned ending index, then it will be considered ending of this string. We will take S of 2 colon. That means 2 starts with Johnny. Complete string. This is the forward index. We will take even characters. We will take just total string and escape. That means total string Rajini, first character is R. Next we will skip the second character, print the third one and fourth one, and fifth is skipped. This is the even characters. If you want to print the odd characters, we should use odd character starts with 1. That's why I will take 1 and end value will not be mentioned because I want to total string. Next 2. That means starts with 1. A is printed, next this one is printed, and next this one is printed. I. This is. If you are taking any mistake, that means I will take S of 10 colon 5. In forward direction, after, let's suppose we will take available index 2 colon 5 colon 1. 5 is available, 1 is available. But in forward direction, after 5, 1 is not coming. That's why immediately it returns empty string. If the index is not available, we will get index error. In slicing concept, if you are taking any mistake, then it returns only empty string. This is the forward direction. Next one is backward direction. I will take backward direction. Backward direction. Backward. Second one is backward direction. Backward direction. Backward direction, how to identify backward direction? If the step value is -1, that one is the backward direction. This one syntax is variable name, and start colon and colon step. In this case, starts with -1. Starts with -1. Ends with n plus 1. These are the very important. Ends with n plus 1. Step value is step value is step plus 1. That means a step means skipping. That means that one is how to identify forward or backward by using step value. Step value is positive, that one is the forward direction, and step value is negative, that one is the backward direction. Okay, let's suppose we will take one string. S is equal to Rajani. S is equal to Rajani. We'll take the diagram. R A J A N I, Rajani. Starts with -1 and ends with minus length of variable name -1, because default n plus 1. If you are taking -7 plus 1 -6, we'll consider correct one. -2, -3, -4 and -5. This is the backward direction. Backward direction. And this one is negative index. Negative. Next, this one is right to left. Right to left. We will take more examples. First, we will take, this is the syntax. I want to reverse direction I to j. We will take -1 to -4. We will take -4 and value is -4 plus 1. That means I consider a, but I want j. Next we will take the -5. That's why we will take variable name and -1 colon -5 colon. Compulsory we should take backward direction. Step value is -1. That means it returns INAJA. This is the backward direction. I want to print A to R. We will take -3 to minus length of variable name -1. Take this one and S of -3 and minus length of variable name is S and -1. That means -6 -1 is equal to -7. End value is compulsory. We should take step value. That will it will be considered -6. That means it comes IJAR. This is the backward direction. Next we will go for the step value. Step value is that means a skipping. We will take, I want to print before go to step value, we will see the starting and ending. First, if you are not mentioned starting value, then it will be considered starting of the string. If you are not mentioned ending value, then it will be considered ending of the string. If you are not mentioned starting and ending value, then it will be considered total string. Let's suppose this is, if you are not mentioned starting value, I am not taking starting value, or we will take -4, -1. That means starting INA, it returns INA. This is very important. And if you have not mentioned ending value, then it will be considered ending of the string. That means I will take starting value -4. I am not taking end value, but step value is -1. That means 4 to last JAR. If you are not mentioned starting and ending values, that means if you are not mentioned starting and ending values, step value is -1. That means it consider total reverse string INAJAR. This is the how to reverse a string in Python. This is the interview question. This is very important. How to reverse the string in a single line by using slicing concept. This is very important. Okay, na? Next, we will consider a step value. Step means skip the value. That means I want to print this way. That means I will take starts with -1 and I'm not mentioning ending value because I want to last index -1. It consider IA. This is that means skip the value. Sorry, this one is step value is 2. 2 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to -1. One character is skipping. I want to print NJR. That means starts with -2 and end value. If you are not taking end value, it will be considered ending of the string. That means NJR. This is the backward slicing. This means this is very important in Microsoft certifications bit. I will take -1 to, this is very important. See this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will take S of 4 colon. I will take positive index and end value is -6. Step value is -1. First, I will consider step value. Step value is positive. That one is the forward slicing. Step value is negative. That one is the backward direction. Backward slicing. In this case, this is the backward direction. See this one. This is the backward direction. Backward direction. That means backward direction 4 starts with 4. Okay, this one is considered -6. -6 means -6 plus 1. End value, backward direction end value is -6 plus 1. That is equal to -5. It consider 4 to -5. That means NAJA. This is very important in Microsoft certifications bit. This one is the total slicing concept. This is very important. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I will continue. The next video is a list and tuple. Thank you for watching.